Okay, class, today we learned about the importance of conflict in different short stories. What is the one key takeaway from today's lesson? Yes, Miss Flores?
Conflicts make stories meaningful, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. Another one? Yes, Mr. Cubero.
I think that they show character growth, ma'am.
Okay, very good class. Now, before we end, I'll be showing you a confidence rating scale. Rate how confident you feel about identifying conflicts in stories now compared to before the lesson. Anyone who would like to volunteer first? No one's no one's gonna volunteer. I'll be calling you. Aye. Yes, Miss Lubaton.
For me, ma'am, I would give myself a 4, ma'am. I understand the main idea of conflict now, but I still need to practice identifying the smaller conflicts between characters.
Yes, you're right. Who's next? Yes, Mr. Cubero.
So I'll rate myself a 5, ma'am, because I feel much more confident about understanding conflicts now. The group discussions really helped clarify my thoughts and made me realize how different types of conflicts influence the story.
Excellent. And lastly, Miss Flores.
I think I am at a 3, ma'am. I still find it a little hard to spot conflicts quickly, but with more reading, I'm sure I'll improve.
Very good class. Now I know that everyone is becoming more confident in recognizing conflicts and understanding the importance of in the story. Now class, for your assignments, I want you to write an original poem that includes at least one type of conflict discussed in class. Reflect on how this conflict relates to your own experiences or societal issues. Okay, I think this concludes our class. See you next meeting. Thank you, class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am. Goodbye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye.